ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ BMI ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ BMI ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯦꯛꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯠꯁꯦ 70 ꯂꯩ 80 ꯂꯩ 90 ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯦꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯋꯥꯡꯕꯅ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯈꯔ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯦꯝꯕꯅ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯦꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯣ BMI ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯋꯦꯠꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯠ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯣ BMI ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯏꯟꯗꯦꯛꯁ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯜꯀꯨꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯟꯗꯔ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯀꯦꯇꯦꯒꯣꯔꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯚꯔ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯕꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯣꯕꯤꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯥ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯍꯦꯟꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯕꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯀꯌꯥꯅꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯚꯔ ꯋꯦꯠꯁꯨ ꯐꯠꯇꯦ ꯅꯣꯔꯃꯦꯜ ꯋꯦꯠꯇ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯕꯦꯁꯅꯤ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯟꯗꯔ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯁꯣꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯟ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯁꯣ BMIꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯜꯀꯨꯂꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ BMIꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ weight in kgs weight to kg da igadaba for example 80 kgs ani igadaba divided by height in meter aduki square tawgadaba height in meter hayadi aigi height in meters ta 1.78 meters oiduni 178 centimeters ni adu isagi height to feet ta khangbo oragadi 5 foot 10 inches ni hayagadi adu Google da iraga convert to centimeters haraga centimeter da yengbiro 178 centimeters already meter da 1.78 meters oirani adudo weight to the calculator da puthokpiro calculator da weight to divided by 1.78 tawro adu la iba result to the amuka divide by 1.78 tawro kayino da weight by height in meter square hamni height in meter da anirak divide taw tamne weight to aduga la iba magi result to Kaigumba less than 18.5 leragadi underweight oire 18.5 tagi 24.9 gi marta leragadi normal oire BMI do 20 to 29.9 gi range leragadi overweight oire weight khar yame adubu hekta obesity oidri obese sin amuk 30 gi mathak leraganda obese haina kawrani mi se adu sise mayam ni isa gi check tawbiu calculate tawraga aduga kari step lausige have the normal oragadi yam phare haidi weight reduce to with the quality weight hangat pay the quality underweight leragadi diet phanda exercise kar weight build up to exercise kar tar weight helan mana phai overweight natro obese leragadi weight cut down taraga normal weight categories da channaba hotna pharni sumain tawtana BMI se yengbiro and isagi BMI kya lei hiding the mi yaramgani adu kaiguma hiding agadi id normally id overweight or me id underweight or may have the comments adum haibiro thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one bye